Hello, I'm going to show you how to hide your name on PayPal, so let's start. First of all, go into your PayPal account settings and upgrade to a business account. When prompted, select the option to create the account with a new email address that doesn't include your real name. After that, create a new email address for your business. For the next step, sign in to PayPal and click the gear icon. It's at the top right corner. This takes you to your settings. After that, click Upgrade to a business account. It's toward the bottom of the left panel. For the next step, select Use a new email with your business account. It's the first option. This ensures you don't close your personal account. Alternatively, you can choose Use your current email address to switch to a business account if you don't mind closing your personal account. Click the blue Next button. It's at the bottom of the page. Next, enter your email address and click Continue. Now you'll be asked to provide details about your business. For the next step, follow the on-screen instructions to create your business account. Now to change your business name, go to Business Manage, after that Account, after that About Business. If your real name still shows up on your invoices even though you're using a business account, you might need to change some settings to hide it. You may be prompted to provide documentation of your business name, so make sure to click Update. It's to the right of your business name. After that, click Edit. You'll see the option in the top right corner of your business profile. Next, click Change. Find this under your business name in your profile. After that, select your contact name has changed and click Continue. This might say your business name has changed instead. Now to hide your name from your seller's profile, it is not possible from a PayPal seller profile. So go to My Account. After that, go to Profile to open your account settings by clicking on the gear icon. Select your seller profile and click Manage. If you're using the mobile app, tap your profile icon and select Seller Profile instead. Click on Edit and hide the elements you don't want to appear on your seller profile or invoices. After that, select Save to save your changes. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.